Hello guys, this is Yuva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy, a simple strategy for scalping on the 1 minute time frame. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, I'll quickly share with you how to take your entry and exit, and then after that I'll be explaining how to set the strategy up. So this is how you have to go about the entry. Alright, here on the indicator window, we want to wait for the stochastic oscillator to get to the overbought level. All right, so once you have seen that the stochastic oscillator is at this 90 level here, it means the price is on the overbought level, and we are expected to look for sell entry from these levels. All right, now here on the main chart, you can see that we have this blue moving average. All right, this blue line here will determine our entry. All right, on the indicator, first of all, we want to wait for price to get to the overbought level, and then we wait for it to start crossing below this 50 level. All right, now this 50 level gives us the first signal of entry, and then on the main chart, we want to also confirm that price is also crossing below the blue moving average. All right, so once price cross and close below this blue moving average on the main chart, then it means that we should go in. All right, we go in and we pick 5 candles. So most of the time, this the price crossing on the main chart and the stochastic oscillator line here, they do normally cross the same time. All right, but sometimes they will not cross the same time. All right, sometimes the crossing will not happen the same, so you want to make sure that both of them are in line. Once you have seen the price cross below this blue line on the main chart, you also want to confirm that it's also below on the indicator window here. You want to make sure that it has crossed below on the indicator window, and then you go in for your 5 candles. All right, so you pick your 5 candles, you exit, and you wait for the next opportunity to present itself. It's as simple as that. A very simple strategy, very profitable, and it has multiple entry opportunities. So you can see here again, right? So the stochastic oscillator got to the overbought level here. Wait for price to cross the blue line on the main chart here. Once the crossing happen, you go in for your 5 candles. All right, once it cross below the 50 level on the indicator line here, all right, you go for your 5 candles and you wait for the next opportunity again. So you can see here again, you see the crossing. So the stochastic oscillator got to the overbought level. You wait for it to cross below the 50 level. You wait for the small candles here to cross below the 50 level also, and then you go in for your 5 candles. All right, so you can see there was this small spike here, but once you wait for the condition, the spike will not be able to take you out. You will still recover. Even if it went in loss, you should be able to recover, right, sticking to the conditions. So you can see this is where it got to the overbought level. This is where the crossing happened, and this is where the crossing happened on the main chart. All right, so you can see most of the time they do cross the same time. So once the crossing happen, you go in for your 5 candles, you exit, wait for the next opportunity. You can see here again, see the crossing. So that's how the strategy work. All right, very simple strategy. So I'll advise you test it out for yourself, back test it, or you demo read it for like a month or 2, all right, to confirm that the strategy is working for you before you deposit money and start trading, all right, using what I've just explained. All right, so make sure you do the testing yourself. I'm not the market maker. All right, don't just take my words for it. Make sure you do your testing, all right, for yourself. So that's that for that. All right, so I will just go ahead now and share with you the indicator setting. All right, so before I go into the settings, I want to quickly remind you guys about the VIP community. All right, so for those of you who have not yet joined, the door is still open. All right, so there in the VIP community, I share free signals on daily basis. I give you trading tips, all right, that will help you become profitable. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my Telegram link there. To make sure to join. All right, so that's that about that. Okay, so for the setting now, you are going to be clicking on this F icon. After clicking on that, we are going to search for the moving average, which is our first indicator. All right, so you click on the main window plus icon, you search for moving average. These are the properties for the moving average. The period is 35, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to is close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame, the style you make it color blue, 3 pixel, you click on done. Nextly, we have the stochastic oscillator, which is our last indicator here. So you click on the main window plus icon again, search for your stochastic oscillator. So these are the properties for the stochastic oscillator. As you can see here, the K period is 30, D period is 3, slowing is 3, price field is low high, method is simple. The levels, you are going to make it 90, 10, and 50. Color is red. 3 pixel, you click on done. Then we have time frame, which is all time frame. The style, you are going to make the main, you make it the color, you make it color blue. All right, the signal is color red. 3 pixel for the both of them. All right, so after that you click on done and you are going to have a screen like this. All right, so that's that for that. All right, make sure you test it out and make sure you join the VIP community. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.